want a camera.
Booga, booga, boo.
We got a Billy Woo! Billy Chat.
We gotta see Mommy.
No, we don't. We see Anthony.
I see.
His mommy's hand. That's it.
There's Mommy.
Okay, it's too dark.
She's so pretty. Look at her.
Whatever.
And then we're back to Anthony.
The cutie pie.
Cootie, cootie, patootie. I said cutie, not cootie. I did not. Oh, crap.